Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Tired of paying for expensive scraping tools like Phantombuster? Let me show you a free alternative that extracts contact information from company websites and updates your Google Sheets automatically. This AI agent visits websites for you, finds contact pages, and pulls email addresses and phone numbers without any manual copying. Instead of spending hours researching leads one by one, you can process hundreds of companies while you focus on actually reaching out to them. Here's how it works under the hood. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed all the company websites you want to scrape. Then it enters a loop that processes each company one at a time. For every website, the AI-powered browser automation kicks in. It actually navigates the site like a human would, looking for contact pages in menus, footers, and about sections. Once it finds contact information, the agent searches your spreadsheet to locate the exact row for that company. Then it writes the contact details back to your sheet in the designated column. The whole process runs on Autopilot, and you can watch it work in real time through the workflow dashboard. Setting this up takes about 5 minutes. You'll need to connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read and write data, then enable the browser automation integration, which is built right into Task AGI. After that, you just paste your spreadsheet URL into the configuration, and you're ready to go. The best part? You can customize the AI prompt to extract exactly what you need. Want physical addresses too? Just tell the AI to look for them. Need it to check the footer for social media links? Add that to the instructions. Start with a test run of 5 to 10 companies to make sure everything works smoothly. Once you see the results flowing into your spreadsheet, scale up to hundreds of leads. This agent has already been deployed over 700 times by sales teams, recruiters, and marketers who are tired of manual data entry. Ready to automate your lead research? Deploy this agent now on Task AGI and start scraping smarter, not harder.